Hi ladies, happy Friday. We are on our last day of our Christmas open house. And we will be open Saturday from 10 to 4, which is our normal Saturday hours. So we are all about joy this Christmas season and having you come in and share a little bit of joy with us. I want to show you today our hand-painted sweatshirts that we have been carrying for, I don't know, umpteen years, if you know what umpteen is. I'm not quite sure, but I'm not sure the amount. So it's been a long time. We not only do them Christmas, we do them in the summer, we do them in the spring and the fall. It is an 80% cotton and 20% blend in a sweatshirt. And they are all hand painted, they are signed, and they have a supposed to have a little bit of something on the back. The one I have on, I don't know if this one does or that one does. Sometimes they might get out in production when they're trying to get them done fast and they don't. But we try to always tell her we always want something on the back. But anyway, let me tell you what we have. And they wash up beautifully. So any of you who have had them know what a great job, because I know you've enjoyed them because you've come back and bought multiples of them. So the joy that I have on is in a tie-dye, and a tie-dye is new to them as of a year ago. They only did solids, and then they started changing styles and updating styles and all that, and then they started doing tie-dyes. So now they do tie-dye in several styles. This is in kind of a pine green or a spruce green. It is priced at $112. This is called their split crew, where they actually take the crew neck that is made in a regular sweatshirt and actually split it. They do the sleeves as well and the bottom. So it doesn't have your banded bottom like a lot of sweatshirts, but it is really, really cute and very comfortable. And it's something that once you wear, I promise you, you will get compliments. If you don't, you can bring it back and we'll give you your money back, because it's a very nice conversation piece. So this is priced at $112. I have on a medium, and in the sweatshirts you can wear, I've got some mediums and I have got some larges. So it depends upon how good I like to know if I got a medium or large, but they're both comfortable. They both wash up well. So I have a medium and an extra large in that one. Here is our Santa face, and I love it on this periwinkle. It is beautiful. It's kind of a purpley blue, and the red and the white in the Santa just pop, especially with those gold stars. And this one has a little squirrely Q on the back. This is their V-neck, and this is their one that they do the ruched sleeves with the tie sleeves and the tie bottoms. And they'll always do a touch of a different color on one of the sleeves. That's just kind of their little bit of trademark. Priced at $112, and in this one I have a medium, I have a large, and an extra large. Here is a gnome, and this is the first time they have done gnomes. But as you have seen in the market, gnomes are so popular for seasons now. So they could not do a gnome. So this one is on the ice blue or powder blue. It is priced at $112. It's that V, and it has the ruched sleeves. It has a little swirl of snow on the back. And in this blue, I have a small and I have a large. Here is another gnome. This is in the seafoam color. This is in the split crew, which is the style that I have on. Priced at $108. This is the single gnome, and this is the double gnome. And in this one, I have a medium and an extra large. Whoops. I have one more that was hiding in the double gnome, and this is a medium. So I have this one in a small, medium, and a large.
And that one has a different back. That one has little red.
What?
Turn around. Yep. It's got like little red ornaments, whereas that one had a little white.
See, that's why they're all hand painted and they're different. Go figure. Okay. The next one, and he is the cutest thing, is this black bear, and he looks so sweet and innocent, that cute little face. How can you deny that face? He's adorable. And this is a beautiful periwinkle as well, priced at $112, and it's got the trees on the back. And in this one, I have a medium and a large. Then another tie-dye we have in this denim blue in the snowman. And like I've told you before, they all have names, but I cannot remember them. Priced at $116, and in this one I have a small and a medium. Here is a gray that they call smoke, and this is also in that V with the ruched sleeves and bottom. He is priced at $116, and this is the last one, and it's an extra large. This is one of their original styles, or the button cardigans that they have done. And it has a little bit of a ruffle on the sleeves at the band. And here again, this one has the star on the back. So this is the Snow family. It is priced at $132. And in this one, I have a medium and I have a large. And here's just the variations of the two, just to show you the different colors. The buttons are never the same, and the colors in the paintings are never the same. They're very much alike, but they're never the exact same because they are all hand done. So the last couple of ones I'm going to show you are of their whimsical trees. This one is in that denim blue in the tie-dye. And I say this one as well as the next one reminds me of a Dr. Seuss tree. So it is priced at $116, and in this one I have a medium and a large. And this is a true Dr. Seuss tree because it's kind of that color that I think of as Dr. Seuss, that lime color. Has a cute star on the back, priced at $132 again. And in the yellow, I have a small, I have a medium, and I have a large. So I just wanted to show you our Kunkies that are, you can be comfortable for the holidays. You can have fun if you're hosting a party or having gatherings at your house. It's great. You can just throw it on with your jeans or your sweatpants and be comfortable and look nice. Or they're also fun to wear to a casual party if you're going to a tree trimming, or you're going to the Festival of Lights, or you're just want something fun to wear to get lots of compliments on and to have a conversation. This might be your ticket. So come in and check us out and enjoy your last day of being able to have 30% off store-wide. And remember, our store hours for Saturday are 10 to 4. Thanks, ladies, for watching, and we hope to see you soon.